Stop guessing and start measuring the invisible dialogue between your leaves and your reservoir. By correlating real-time EC fluctuations with leaf moisture loss, we've transformed plant physiology into a precise engineering metric. Discover how to bridge the gap between biology and hardware to optimize nutrient uptake like a professional lab technician. Welcome back to Show Me Hydro. If you wait until your plant droops to give it attention, you are already too late. Visual wilting is a lagging indicator. By the time a leaf sags, cellular turgor pressure has collapsed. Photosynthesis has ground to a halt. And you have already sacrificed potential yield. Instead of waiting for physical failure, we need to focus on stomatal conductance. Stomata are microscopic pores on the leaf surface that regulate transpiration and gas exchange. When a root system experiences distress, those pores snap shut instantly. It is an invisible early warning system. It happens hours before the human eye can spot a single drooping stem. This is where modern sensor technology changes the game. The current generation of thermal leaf sensors can read surface temperature variations down to a fraction of a degree. Cool leaves mean active transpiration. Warming leaves mean the plant is holding its breath and locking out nutrients. These sensors detect microscopic stress before you even notice a shift in your canopy color. To control this system, you have to understand the physics of thirst. It all comes down to vapor pressure deficit, or VPD. VPD dictates the atmospheric pull of the water inside your plant's vascular tissue. If the air is too dry, transpiration turns into a raging river. If the air is too humid, water movement grinds to a dead stop. When transpiration runs too hot in a recirculating system, something dangerous happens. The plant drinks water much faster than it consumes mineral salts. As pure water evaporates through the canopy, the leftover minerals stay behind in the root zone. Your reservoir volume drops and your electrical conductivity spikes. Suddenly, your solution turns into a high salinity environment that burns root tips. Think about the journey of an ion in your system. It starts inside a deep water culture bucket dissolved in solution. Negative root pressure and transpiration draw that ion up through the xylem. It travels through the main stem, enters the leaf veins, and settles in the cell walls. If water flow stalls at any point along this chain, mineral delivery breaks completely. This is why tracking EC alone is only half the story. Real-time electrical conductivity tracking tells you how much fuel the plant is actually burning versus how much water it is drinking. If EC rises while water levels fall, your plant is telling you the solution is too strong. If EC drops while water levels fall, your plant is hungry and eating faster than it drinks. If both stay flat, you have hit the ultimate sweet spot. Every setup has a critical tipping point. This is the moment where transpiration outpaces nutrient uptake entirely. When this happens, salt buildup accumulates exponentially in the root zone. Roots begin to suffer osmotic shock, pulling water out of the plant instead of pushing it up. It creates a hidden drought inside a bucket filled with liquid. Learning to read your canopy means translating this invisible dialogue. Your leaf's moisture loss dictates the reservoir's mineral stability. By matching your feeding strength directly to transpiration rates, you eliminate nutrient burn and lockout forever. You stop guessing and start tuning. In an automated recirculating deep water culture, or RDWC system, this data becomes actionable automation. You can program controller triggers to increase flow rates or dilute solution the moment transpiration spikes. When environmental lights drive heavy transpiration, your system adjusts immediately to prevent salt buildup. Hardware responds directly to biological demand in real time. Even better, this continuous data pipeline provides predictive diagnostics. A sudden drop in water uptake paired with stagnant EC is a classic sign of root pathogens or oxygen deprivation. Pythium and root rot choke off water absorption long before you see brown mush or smelling decay. Your data feed flags the anomaly hours before the damage becomes fatal. You can also tune your system's recirculating speed to match the plant's natural metabolic clock. Plants do not consume nutrients at a constant rate all day. Uptake surges during peak light hours and slows down toward the night cycle. Syncing your pump cycles and delivery strength to this biological clock unlocks maximum efficiency. By benchmarking your transpiration to uptake ratio, you can map out the perfect nutrient saturation curve. You ensure every milliliter of water carries the exact ion density your plant needs at that specific minute. No excess runoff, no root shock, and zero wasted inputs. When leaf-to-root communication stays consistent, the results show up on the scale. Uninterrupted vascular flow leads to heavier essential oil production, thicker cell walls, and denser flower structures. You give the plant the exact conditions required to express its full genetic potential. This is the shift from reactive gardening to proactive plant engineering. Stop looking for problems after they manifest in your canopy. Start reading the invisible language your plants are speaking every single second. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Show Me Hydro, and drop your system stats in the comments below. Until next time, keep your water clean and your plants healthy. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind the scenes content you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.